Hi, good morning. Today is November 11, 2020, Wednesday in US time in the morning. So, some people, I got some feedback that my audio wasn't loud enough, so I'm turning it back on. So, for those of you who have the right volume in the past, maybe now it's too loud, just turn it more lighter. And I'm also trying to speak a little louder. Um, so just a quick recap. The market continued to be very strong with momentum yesterday, with Dow Industrial Average edged higher to 29,420 points, with the price of seeing good news. S&P 500 slipped 0.14% to 3,545.53, and Nasdaq 500 was down by almost 160 points to 11,554. All of these major indices were still very high and way over 50 days average. US stock futures are up after a mixed day for markets on Tuesday. Top index in Europe gained ground in early trading while tech stocks in China tumbled. US bond markets are shut today. China's annual due to Veterans Day. China's annual single day online shopping is on pace to break record despite the COVID-19 crisis. Alibaba said Wednesday morning, which is their Wednesday is our Tuesday and night in US, that the sales freeze has so far pulled in more than 372 billion yen, so 56 billion US dollars, which was another amazing event. And again, that's just Alibaba. There's some Pinduoduo and JD and all these other companies as well. But Alibaba was one of the very largest platform. Pfizer CEO cashed out 60% of his stock on the same day the drug maker unveiled the result as COVID-19 vaccine trial. He said this is part of the plan that the CEO want to sell and get some money. Expect earning expected today. Tencent Holding, which is the China stock, Auto Data Processing (ADP), and Toshiba are the highlights. On the other side, NBA mortgage applications and the American Petroleum Institute's weekly crude oil stock a deal. As you know that energy stock have been gone up a lot. The last couple of few days. So we'll see how this how this report gonna shape up and may perhaps potential make changes on that. What I find surprising is that when during the proposal or agenda of Biden saying that fossil energy will be if not fracking really banned, but at least will be reduced. The terminology implication I see, and then it will have an increase of green energy. Well, the green energy was really pumped up and gone up quite a bit on Li Liu Auto, XPEV, NIO. NKLA has some issues and problems, so it's not doing so well at the moment. In fact, yesterday after earnings was down 3%. So I'm pretty sure I'm kind of optimistic about the green energy expectations. But what's I understanding why a lot of companies that are doing fossil energy were also up so much. Part of the only explanation I can have is they were beat up pretty badly already, so they kind of rebound. And then Shell, because we issued the earning dividend, so Shell stock have been gone up back up way up from $24 to over $30 now. We'll see how Shell going in the future. I have some stock I used to work there, so I got 15% purchase employee purchase discount. But unfortunately, the price was still way lower, way much lower than when I had it years ago when I was there. And also, I for those of you know that I was suggesting the hedging of SEs, SDOW and TCS. Hope you already sold the stock because the market have been really wily, since after the sell off of the 1800 points that week. So you probably would like to reduce exposures, which means selling those at a losses if not have not done so. May not sell everything, but some, because the hedge probably normally not going to be perfectly aligned. You have some gaps, and then the market, may project to go down. Nobody say it definitely melt up and continue to go up. For what I know is people are very optimistic about next year, keep saying next year can go up by 13, 20% or 40%, whatever. But hey, that's next year, right? So you're probably looking at only 2 or 3 months what happen next. So I'm pretty sure the market will not be just keep going straight up. So, um, you know, but in any cases, you do want to reduce exposure on that. And then on the China stock, which I recommend the PDDJD, um, I already reduced some exposures before the, November 11th day, and because you probably think the stock keep going up because it was actually pricing up the big sale just like Amazon. So if you have not done so, you probably want to do it today or tomorrow. If otherwise, you have to wait for December 12th, to for the stock to rebound. If you were looking for a couple of days ago, the market was pretty strong, but they have gone down 10% in 2 days in the China stock. Part of it is because of the whole wave of China's test stock tumble. The other part could be probably shift of fund, so U.S. market was pretty strong, keep going up, but then they probably made some money and capitalize it, and withdraw the money from the China market. So that's why you see the dip. And the stock that I recommend, the BIGC, it is at the buying range now. It's at about, well, yesterday was around 72 to 75, so $75 is still in the buying range. I probably would not buy more expensive than that. And then XPEV, you probably around the range. It wasn't sitting in a range of 25 to 30, but probably okay to get it around 32, and it may dip down a little bit, but then I still look good on this stock, optimistic about it next year. And then another another one that was on my list is also didn't hit the price yet, BLNK. So probably have to set up the price as I recommended and just be patient about it. If you like what I said and watch my video, please subscribe if I've not done so. Thank you for your support. Have a nice and wonderful day.